What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new CBD video, and we've also got a new company on the YouTube channel as well, and that is NaturalStrains. I've heard so much about their products that we worked on agreeing on doing a couple of videos with them. We've got the AMNESIA here, but we're also going to be doing a review on their White Widow as well. So been testing this AMNESIA out over on my Twitch page for the last week or so. If you want to see some real-time reviews of these products that I'm testing out, go and check out my Twitch link in the description. But let's get into the smell test of this AMNESIA from NaturalStrains. And in the bag, the two main terps that I'm getting a nice gassy smell off this, and I'm getting a little bit of a skunk smell as well. A little bit of hemp in the background, but really not enough to talk on, to be honest with you. And it's nice and strong as well. Even just smelling in the bag, that gas is coming through strong. And now let's do a quick smell test with this AMNESIA in the grinder to tell you what those fresh ground up terps are like. That skunk I was telling you about definitely comes out a lot stronger when you grind it up. The gas seems to drop a little, and that skunk seems to come out a lot stronger. Again, no earthiness, no hemp there, just a nice skunky gas. And now that the smell test is done on this AMNESIA, let's see what this flower looks like up close. And this is the AMNESIA up close, and the one thing you're gonna see is that this flower has a really nice tight trim job to it. There's no sugar leaves hanging off or anything. The trim job is nice, and the buds are also pretty dense as well. When we look at this flower on the inside, you will see definitely closer towards the stem that the trichome coverage is really good, and there's a lot of sticky trichome heads on the inside of this flower. But in general, this is some good looking CBD flower. Tight trim job, nice and dense, and it's definitely got a good stick to it. And there are the close-ups for this AMNESIA. We've got our Mighty, we've got a bowl packed right there. We're going to put the mouthpiece on, give it a click, and let's go to 180. Here we go, we're at 180. So let's take a hit. Yeah, and now that skunkiness has dropped back and that gas has come forward. Seems like these terps flip-flop a lot. 1 minute you get a skunk coming through, 1 minute you get a gas coming through. On that first terpene hit, we definitely got the gas coming through. And now on our third hit, that gas is starting to drop off a little. Those skunky tones are coming through. Earthy tones are coming through now. Only slightly on the earthy point though, but really nice and smooth. Good vapor production. Still smooth on that third hit. Yeah, those earthy tones are coming through at 180 now. What I have found, around the 180 to 195 mark, those terps are nice and strong. But as you start progressing through the 195s, you definitely start to get those earthy tones coming through. And like we're gonna do right now, as you go up to 210, it pretty much goes to an earthy strain. There we go, we're at 210. Let's see what type of hit we can get off this first hit at the top temperature. Ooh, amazing vapor production. That gas has pretty much gone completely now. That skunkiness is really trying to hold on, but those earthy terps are coming through pretty heavy right now when we're at 210. Getting some really good vapor clouds though. Ooh, wow. I'm getting some pretty big lungfuls at 210, and I've got to say, even just off this one dosing capsule, I can already feel the effects kicking in, which is impressive. And I've got to say, I've noticed that through my week of testing with this flower, actually, I haven't been doing much smoking with it unless I'm testing it, but I've mostly been vaping this. And I've got to say, even after just a couple of bowls, you really feel the effects on this one. And that is that bowl done. Which means we now move to our Frankenstein bong, which we've created because the down stem in mine actually broke. So we've had to put a second down stem in there, and we've got a detachable bowl. So this is going to be pretty interesting. So let's pack this bowl. So our bowl is packed. Let's take a hit. That was a heavy one. Wow. I can already feel that. So guys, the session is done. What do I think about the AMNESIA strain from NaturalStrains? And I've got to say, what an entry into reviewing NaturalStrains, because this was a really good strain actually. Do I think this is a day or a nighttime strain? I think this could be used all times of the day, but if I'm honest with you, I think this would be more suited for the nighttime. I think this is definitely a chill out strain. And now let's get into the effects, and I've been loving the effects of this strain. Super relaxing. You can probably see it on my face. I've just got that warm glow around my face, under my eyes, on my cheeks. My eyes have definitely dropped and are kind of slowing down a little bit. I'd say the effects of this flower are pretty similar to the start of getting stoned and using THC. That like warm body feeling, that relaxation, your muscles kind of just release, and that clear head. That's kind of the effects I'm getting here. The pain relief is great on this strain as well. Again, like always, been getting a lot of tightness in my chest recently, and also I've got a knot in my back that just will not release, and just before starting filming this video, it seized up again and started causing me issues. But I've got to say, a couple of bowls and that's pretty much been soothed by this strain. I've got a really nice, relaxed, clear head as well. I feel as though this strain fits perfect for when you want to just chill and watch a film or listen to an album. It kind of puts me in that mind frame, just chilling out, relaxing, and not doing anything. And overall, it's been a great entrance onto the channel for NaturalStrains. The flower looks great, smells great, and tastes great. And the effects definitely hit. I've got to say that this was a good review for NaturalStrains. Really good flower. I can't wait to test out their White Widow now, which is going to be a review coming up soon. And that is the review done. So if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to leave a thumbs up, put some comments in the comment section, hit that subscribe button, and I'll speak to you guys later.